Tips and tricks connecting an IP PTZ to an NVR or HD-TVI DVR. This diagram shows how to connect an IP PTZ camera to either an NVR or HD-TVI DVR. Connecting your network joystick keyboard to your router is optional. You can also connect your IP PTZ using your mobile devices or your desktop. There are 4 ways to control your PTZ: through the NVR or DVR directly, mobile devices, through a desktop UI or NVMe 7000, or network joystick keyboard. Step 1. Connect the IP PTZ to the supplied PoE injector. Step 2. Connect the PoE injector to the router. Step 3. Connect the network joystick keyboard to the router. Step 4. Connect the NVR or HDTVI DVR to the router. Step 5. Connect the mouse and monitor or TV to your NVR or DVR. Step 6. Add an IP PTZ camera with just one click. Now you have successfully connected your IP PTZ to your NVR or DVR. PTZs allow you to maximize coverage and secure premises by pan, tilt, zoom for vertical market applications. And don't forget to subscribe to LTS Security Inc. on YouTube for more tips and tricks on video surveillance, or visit us at ltsecurityinc.com.